My people, what's up, man? So allegedly, I've been seeing so many things, so many people coming up with their own false narratives and false talk and malicious nonsense after I posted that stuff that I posted. Yes, I posted what I posted, and any person will get brain, they understand, you know. But for all of the people that have been saying different stuff that do not have any absolute clue of what's going on. But hell, now in a life, perfect guy, not too much. You understand? See, everybody's going to be alright. Everybody's fine. There's no fights. There's no quarrel. There's nothing. I said what I said. All of us will be alright, and all of us are working to do bigger and better things. You understand what I'm saying? And Honorable Natasha, I see she has been dragged. She has been called all sorts of names. She has been labeled as the home breaker. You know, she is a young, brilliant, amazing young woman. You understand what I'm saying? And she had nothing to do with, you know, what's happening between me and Annie in our marriage. You know, she has absolutely nothing to do with that. But I see everybody allegedly trying to, you know, rope her into everything. Yes, I love her. She's amazing. She's cool. You know, I want to marry her. Understand what I'm saying? So that on one side. Then on the other side, when me and Annie, we don't fight, we don't quarrel. You know, we have a good understanding of ourselves and what's going on. So allegedly, everybody that has been saying stuff allegedly, keep alleging. We shall continue to be alleging. You understand what I'm saying? So thank you very much. Move on with your perfect lives. Now me carry and come there. So I understand this will happen as I carry and come there. I put that on my business. Yeah, so you are allowed to interfere and say what you feel like. But please, when you want to allege, make sure you know what you are alleging. And I'm also going to ask, in fact, I go ask Congress. We have to do something about this alleging. You understand? Everybody's hiding behind allege. To just say anything they want to say. Causing heartache, embarrassing people up and down. And you know, say people will ever leave the follow alleged.
So guys, this has been what Tuface has been up to. He started by when he made comments via social media that he has been separated from Annie for a while now, and people were so shocked to hear the information about their separation. And then he came back. We now saw my Instagram account has been hacked. Efforts are being carried out to take back control. Do you understand? People were like, oh, let's assume it's a prank, Sha. So after a while, he came out again and said, nobody hacked my account. I said what I said. Thank you. So remember, I was like, okay, you know, there is nothing that they don't use to do PR these days. So I'm not even surprised if he comes out tomorrow and say, oh, that was a prank. So now looking at this video, there's a lawyer that says something that they can't grant you a divorce. So go through my screen and be seeing those information, because that's how the whole thing started. Then after a while, Tuface removed all the, you know, separation thing, information he made in his page. So, and I was like, people, I don't really like jumping into information until, you know, there's a reason to. So later I saw Mary Remy Joko write something, read my screen. She said, bro, Annie has a family. Your sister-in-law Minnie. Do you understand? And we've stayed quiet for a very long time. This is somebody that is coming out to, you know, defend her friend, because all this thing came out from the young rich and famous, or the young famous. Correct me, I beg. I don't know the but it's a reality show, Sha. So, and then this blogger Stella Damokokos, she's the one that raised that alarm of Annie being currently allegedly in rehab after that issue in the young famous whatever that she joined. So it's from there that this whole saga started. That's how Tuface built that they were separated. So you can see what Annie wrote in the screen. Just goes through my screen, you see every information. Even AY came to talk about it, that instead of casting blame in a broken marriage, they should pray for the both parties, you know, to find their peace. Then Tuface now uploaded this honorable, the person that they were allegedly saying that they are seeing each other. Now this is my world. That's what he wrote. So in that case, people has been rumoring that they've been seeing him with this particular politician. She's young, looking at her, and then they've been seeing them lately. And he has already come out now, open to say it. You can, as you can listen in my previous video, in the beginning of this video. Sorry. So I don't know. Like at this point, I'm confused. Marriage is not easy. That's number one. It takes two to, build a home. And at this point, my heart goes to both people, but parties, especially Annie, because she has already been bashed for this young famous thing. I don't know what she said that lingered to that, but if you remember, please kindly write it in my comment section. She has already gotten a lot of bashing, and now again, he came out in that process to make that comment that was later said that it was hacked. And all of a sudden, he came out again and said it wasn't hacked. And now you can now see the video he made in the beginning of this my video now. So guys, what do you actually think? What do you think? Because at this point, I feel for Anu. So if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. But if you're an old subscriber, see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for always stopping by, my old subscribers. Bye.